How to remove users from Amazon account. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily remove users from your Amazon account. So if you think people have been using your Amazon account and you want to remove them, so the first thing you can do is head over to your web browser and then go to amazon.com. Next, you can click on the profile icon once you're signed in and head over to your account section. Once you land on your account page, you just need to find something called security. So from here, just head over to this option called login and security, where you can edit your login name, phone number, and many more. So once you click on it, you just need to go ahead and enter your password and sign into your account to confirm that it's you. They will send you a verification code on your email if you've set up two-factor verification. So let me just quickly enter the code. Now, once you've entered the code, click on submit and you'll be taken directly to your page. So from here, what you can do is go to the login option. There are two ways you can log out of other devices. So the first one is you can either change your password. This will automatically log out of any of the existing logged in accounts. And the next step you could do is here you'll find this option called compromised accounts. You can take steps like changing your password and signing out everywhere. Click on start and you can start by signing out everything. So first thing you can do is update your email settings. You can use a strong unique password for your account. And then the second step is to sign out of all apps, devices, and web browser. So if you think your account has been logged into any other device, click on sign out everything and Amazon will automatically sign you out of all of your accounts. Then click on done and you're good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.